It's a nice mix in the room. We have entrepreneurs, we have a PR agency here, we got HR. People can tell if somebody is not sincere when they're interacting with them. And you should really understand the people that are your target. You should understand what they're dealing with.
40% of salespeople say that this is the hardest part of their job, right? Is actually picking up the phone and doing this kind of outreach. You need to be telling stories. You need to be asking questions.
I couldn't out-advertise them. I couldn't outspend them. So I needed to out-connect them. They became clients. Who did they want to work with first? The people who invested in them early in their career.
She's done a great job of bringing that back to the fore, that it's really important to have those relationships, that's where everything comes from.
I made at least 5 connections, and maybe 2 of which are really relevant, and I'll definitely be reaching out.
If you're focusing on the other person's needs, you're able to really hone in as to what they want, build that relationship, and then figure out how can I contribute and help you accordingly.